exercise. Draw the graphs of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. One more equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis and shade the triangular region. First two equations are there. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Second equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. First we will draw the graph equation. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Next second equation, what is there? 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. These two graphs we have to draw. We have to draw means first we want x coordinates, y coordinates, we will do this one. See here, draw the graph of x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. We will take boxes. See here 3, minimum 2 taking also no problem. I will take 3 and I will show you on the graph. See here x, y, coordinates xy. What equation is there? See, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. What I am doing? X is equal to, y I am sending that side, it is a minus y, after is equal to plus y. Plus y after is equal to, it is become a minus y. See the number, x also you want a number and y also you want a number. Don't want fraction, don't want decimal. Y means a fraction and decimals plotting on the graph, it is very difficult. So I will try to take number only. First I am taking x value is the 0. See here, x value 0 taking means here 0 equal to y minus 1. We want y value. Minus 1 you send that side, it is become a plus 1. So what is the y answer? 1, 0, 1. And is there x equal to y minus 1. X value how much I am taking? 1. 1 taking means y minus 1. So y keep here, minus 1 send that side, 1 plus 1. So y equal to what is the answer? 2. So x value 1 taking means y value is the 2. Not only 1, any number you take, no problem. Next here I am taking 2. 2 taking means see, x equal to y minus 1. X value how much I am taking? 2 taking. Not 2, any number you take, think and take. 2 equal to y minus 1. So y equal to, first write 2, send this side minus 1, it is plus 1. So y, what is the y answer? 3. So y value is the 3. 2 taking means it is a 3. What are the coordinates? 2 and 3 are the coordinates. Question 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Now see here, we will take 3 x value 1 taking means we will get y value. X, y, xy. See here 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0 is there. I am taking 3x plus 2y minus 12 after is equal to, it is become a plus 12. So x value how much I am taking? X is equal to, I am taking 0, not 0, anyone think and take it. See here 0 I am taking 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 12. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2y is equal to 12. 0 went to that side, it is become 12 only. 12 y is equal to, it is 12 only. Y is equal to 12 by 2. 2 1s are 2 6 are. So y value how much? 6. 0 taking means, x value 0 taking means y value is the 6. 0, 6, 1 over. Next I am taking 2. See here I will explain. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. X value I am taking 2. 2 taking means 3 into 2 plus 2y is equal to 12. 3 to the 6 plus 2y is equal to 12. 2y is equal to 12 minus 6. So 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 divided by 2 into, after is equal to divide. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So y is equal to 3. 2 taking means you will get 3 answer. Next I am taking one more, here I will explain. So what is the equation is there? 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. I am taking x value is the 4. 4 taking means you see 3 into 4 plus it is 2y plus 2y is equal to 12. 3 4s are 12 plus 2y is equal to 12. This 12 you send that side, 2y is equal to 12, after is equal to minus 12. 2y is equal to 0. 12 minus 12, 0. Y is equal to 0 by, here into, after is equal to, it is divide. 0 by 2. Y is equal to 0 by any number, something, 20, 30, whatever 0 by any number is there means its value is a 0. So 4 taking means it is a 0. 4 taking means it is a 0. So 2, 3, this one, 4, 0. So this is first equation plotting and this is the second equation. This one we will plot on the graph. See, first plotting after I will say what triangle will form. That triangle we have to shade it and we will write the coordinates also. Now see, first we will take the graph. Horizontal line x, x dash, y, y dash. This midpoint is a horizon, it is a 0. This side all you write positive numbers, this side all you write negative numbers. Again upside positive numbers, downside negative numbers. First which graph we will do? X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. What is there? 0, 1. See, where is there x axis? 0. Y axis 1. So 0, 1 will come on y axis. 1, 0 will come on x axis. Don't confuse. Number 0 is there means x axis. 0 number is there means it will come on y axis. So here 0, 1. So where it will come? It will come on y axis. So write here 0, 1 coordinates. Next number what is there? 1, 2. See here x axis 1, y axis 2. Where it will meet? Here. See here x axis 1, y axis 2. Where it will meet? Here. So write the coordinates 1, 2 are the coordinates. Next what is there? 2, 3. Where is the 2? Here 2. And move. Where is the 3? Here 3 is there. Both meeting point here, right here 2, 3. What are the coordinates? 2 and 3 are the coordinates. Now 3 coordinates over. Now you take scale and join it. Carefully you join it. See here, these 3 dots you are joining. This dot, this dot, this dot. Little bit extend also. See here, I am extending little bit extra. This side also extend. Up also extend, down also you extend. Okay, like this you extend it and put arrow marks. Arrow marks putting after you write the name. What is the name? X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Here write x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So first equation is over. Next we will do the second equation. See here we will pen change and I will explain. It is visible easily. Second equation what is there? 0, 6. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. We will plot 0, 6. Where will come 0, 6? First 0 and 6. It will come on y axis. 6, 0 will come on x axis. So here what is there? 0, 6. 0, 6. It will come on y axis. Plot here. It will come on y axis. Right here. Coordinates what? 0, 6 are the coordinates. Next what is there? 2, 3. 2, 3 where it will come? It will come on same place. This dot keep in your mind. So this is what? 2, 3. Already 2, 3 is there. I am writing with red also. Next what is there? 4, 0. Number 0. It will come on x axis. 0 number y axis, number 0 x axis. So 4, 0. It will come on x axis. Right here 4, 0. Now we will join this one. Which dot? This dot, this dot, this dot. Take scale. See here, carefully join this one. See here. See here. This dot, this dot, this dot. Little bit extend and join it. Little bit you extend it. Put arrow marks. Here one arrow mark. Here one arrow mark. Name what is there? 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Anywhere you write it. I am writing where I am writing. Here I am writing. See. 3x plus what is there? 2y. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Both the graphs over. So what is the meeting point? 2, 3 is the meeting point. Okay. This line, what is the meeting point? 2, 3. 2 and 3 is the meeting point. See here. You understand means you put like this line also. So x axis number 2, y axis number 3. 2, 3 is the meeting point. So x value is the 2, y value is the 3. But here what is asking? Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines x axis and shade the triangular region. So here one triangle will form. Triangle will form and vertex we have to write. See here, this is a triangle. Here one vertex, here one vertex, here one vertex. Where is the triangle is there? This is the triangle. Here, here, here. You have to shade this triangle also. Okay, I will shade. See here. First, this triangle is there means I will give the names. This dot. First vertex name A. Next, here one triangle is there. Second vertex name I am giving B. And third vertex name I am giving C name. See here, this triangle I will shade. See, ear to ear it will form with red pen only, but in exam you shade with, don't use any pen, only pencil, dark pencil, sharp it and use it. Okay, here one triangle is forming. I am shading. See here, carefully see here. Shade with the pencil in notebook. See here, now shading is finished. Wait, Baba. See, now shading is over. You have to shade neatly in the notebook. Now shading over means, vertex means this triangle corner. This is A vertex, B vertex, C vertex. So we will write the coordinates of the vertices. Vertex A, what is there? 2, 3. Next, vertex B, what is there? Carefully listen. X-axis 2, y-axis 3. Here see, x-axis which number is there? -1. Y-axis what is there? 0. So it is coming on x-axis. So number 0. So what is this coordinates? -1 and 0. So you write here -1, 0. B coordinates. Now next C coordinates. See here it is coming on x-axis only. So number 0. C coordinates what is there? 4, 0 are the coordinates of this one. Now you write the scale also. How you are taking scale? You write it scale. X-axis how you are taking? X-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 only we are taking. So 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Next y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. You write it. This is the answer C. So okay, here one triangle will form. We are right to coordinates of the triangle. So vertices of the triangle. Vertices, this vertex coordinates 2, 3. This vertex coordinates -1, 0. This vertex coordinates 4, 0. And this triangle place you shade it. Only this much is the answer. So here also you write it. The vertices of the triangle are A 2, 3, B -1, 0 and C 4, 3.